where we spread love and positive vibes only. And I want to start by thanking our new subscribers, our returning subscribers. We really appreciate you. We thank you so much. We do not take you for granted, guys. We appreciate. And we always pray for you. I always say that, and you already know the prayer that we offer to you people for watching us, liking our videos, commenting down below, advising us, telling us where we are wrong. We appreciate that very much. Today, I want to first start by looking at the Olympics. I'm going to talk about several things today, and at the end of this video, I will take you to a Kenyan market and we compare the Kenyan market compared to a Jamaican market or any other market that we have seen Dee Mwango going to the market every time. So we are going to compare specifically Kenyan market and Jamaica market. What do they sell in Kenya? How do they pack their goods for selling? So we are going to see that at the end of this video. But before we go to that, I want us to look at the competitors in 2024 Olympics. So far, Jamaica has managed to get a gold. If you're not aware, already Jamaica has a gold in the field events. Actually, it's like this year, Jamaica has done very well in the field events, and I'm going to go through them, the silvers that Jamaica has won in field events, the bronze, and the gold. So we are going to capture that later in the video. For the time being, now, I want to look at Kisen versus Noah. We all saw them competing in the 100 meters race. And we could all cheer because Kisen Thompson was always ahead of Noah all around the field until the finishing line. When Kisen reached the finishing line, I don't know what happened, guys. Maybe you people whom you are watching, I was watching, but I could not tell what really happened because to me, in my mind, it is Kisen who had won the gold medal because he was always ahead of Noah. And even at the finishing point, I don't know how they count because at the finishing point, I thought Kisen was ahead of Noah. But even Noah himself, by the way, even Noah himself, he declared that he thought Kisen has defeated him, and he actually went ahead and started congratulating him. So you can see, all of us, we thought Kisen is the one who is going to get the gold medal. But they waited for the billboard to show the winner. To the surprise of Kisen and to the surprise of Noah himself, because he clearly said he was astonished, he was actually surprised to be announced the winner of 100 meters. And to all of us surprised because we were expecting Kisen to appear there as the one who has won the gold medal. But instead of Kisen, it was announced that it was Noah. Later, I looked at the time each one of them took. I think at the finishing point, somehow, Kisen slowed down and Noah was able to step ahead and go over the crossing line ahead of Kisen. Because when I was looking at the time they differed, it is said that now Noah took 9.784 seconds. While Kisen took 9.789 seconds. So the difference between the two was 0.005 seconds. 0.005 seconds. Less than 1 second. Very minute. So it's like this guy actually moved one leg ahead of Kisen, and that was it. I don't know how this is calculated. I don't know whether they look at the body, the shoulders, or the legs, or the hands. Which part of the body, maybe if you know, do they consider one to have won after crossing the finishing line? Is it the body? Is it the legs? Is it the hand? Is it the shoulders? What do they consider? Because This time I was more than confused because I completely thought that Hussein had won a gold medal. And I'm not the only one. Actually, I saw so many people actually insisting that the athletes would have protested, would have asked for an explanation how this winner was determined. But I think there is a way that the Olympics determine the winner. And I could see some people saying, at one time, I don't know in which Olympics, there was something like that which happened to two competitors, just like it happened to Noah and Hussein, and both of them were given the silver medal. So I was wondering, can two people be given the gold medal? Can Hussein and Noah be given? And what is the determinant of this time that was recorded? For Noah, it was 9.784. For Hussein, it was 9.789. That difference in 0.005, how was it recorded? Because I was perplexed, guys. I thought that was a gold for Hussein. But unfortunately, or rather, I don't know whether I can say unfortunately or fortunately, because even Noah right now, it's like he belongs to Jamaica. He has a fiancée, Junelle, who is from Jamaica. And therefore, but we all expected Hussein to win because actually, Hussein had recorded to be more faster than Noah in the trials. So all of us were actually expecting Hussein to win the gold medal. And actually, all through the race, he was ahead of Noah, just there at the finishing line. I don't know what happened, but in the long run, Noah won the race and he was given the gold medal. And I love what Hussein said. He was very optimistic and he said, I have learned a lot of lessons from this race. Remember that Hussein, I think it is his first Olympic appearance. And therefore, any mistake of delay at the finishing line or maybe not adding speed at the finishing line would have costed him the gold medal. But I love what he said. He said, I have learned a lot from my mistakes. I am ready to rectify next time. And there is a lot of times because Hussein is young still. So he can win so many gold medals in future. So we really wish him the best as he trains for the next Olympic. Because obviously, though we are saying Noah is fast, according to the records they had run, actually Hussein is more faster than Noah in the trials. But at the finishing line, it was Noah more faster than Hussein. And actually he was declared as the fastest man in the world because he won the gold medal in 100 meters and I think he also won in 200 meters. So we really wish the athletes of Jamaica the best of luck as they train to prepare for the next Olympic, which should be fire because these people have learned a lot of lessons, like Hussein has said, and they will be ready, more than ready, to face their opponents come the next Olympics. So we really congratulate them for the hard work they had shown in the track events and even in the training and even in competing. For you to compete and actually be ahead of somebody until the finishing line is a lot of sacrifice. Hussein was running with who is who in the short distance races. He has never ran in the Olympics, but he has gotten himself a silver medal. That is a great achievement, and we know the next time Hussein lands, he will get a gold medal. And therefore, we wish them the best as they train for the next Olympics. But Jamaica was not left empty, guys. Do you know Jamaica really shined this year in the field events? They have a gold in the field events in discus. I think because Jamaica is so used to getting these medals in the field events, they did not realize that in the field events, I meant Jamaica is used to getting these medals in the track events. They didn't realize that in the field events, they actually excelled a lot. There was a gold that was earned by Roger Stoner in the discus competition. This guy threw the discus a very long distance, and there was a very big gap with the next person who was actually the second. So Roger Stoner won a gold medal for Jamaica in the discus. There are other several people who won silver medals. So Jamaica has several silver medals, and it has a bronze. We have Rajendra Campbell, who won a bronze in the shot put. We have Shanieka Ricketts, who won a silver in the triple jump. We have Kisen Thompson, like we have said, who won a silver in the 100 meters. We have Wayne Pinnock, who won a silver in the long jump. We have, of course, Roger, whom I have mentioned, who won a gold in the discus. So Jamaica is not empty. The field events are peaking in Jamaica, and they are going to do wonders in the next Olympic. We celebrate, we appreciate, we thank the competitors for the hard work they show in the field and for the good things they did until they won themselves silver medals, bronze medals, and gold medals. Elaine also learned, and she was among the final, and even Tia. So there are a lot of perspective. There is a lot of hope. There is a lot of faith in these competitors, and the next Olympic will be fire. They are going to be shown the tingle. They are going to be shown dust, because Kisen has run a lesson, Sivelle will practice, Tia will practice, Tina will practice, again, and all the Jamaican athletes, including the Jamaican field event guys, who are like Jindra Campbell with bronze in shot put, who are Shanieka Ricketts in triple jump, who are the Wayne Pinnock in long jump, and Roger Stoner, in discus. So these guys will make sure Jamaica gets some medals in field events and some medals in track events. So Jamaica is going to places in terms of competitions, Olympic competitions, because it has started rising in the field events, and there are so many capable people in the track events. And we wish them the best as they train to be the next great team in the next Olympics. I also wanted to talk about this guy we call Iam Marwa. Iam Marwa is the brother to Dee Mwango. The reason why I'm talking about him is because Iam Marwa right now has a wife who is pregnant, expecting a child, and still there are people who do not want to see people prospering, people moving ahead, people getting something, people advancing in their lives. They come in arms and they do not keep quiet. And I was asking myself, like for example, Ivan. Ivan was Marwa's best friend. He actually hosted him in America. And I was wondering, was this friendship real friendship or fake? Because this guy came to be a pain in the neck of Marwa. He has come with so many theories of what happened as he was hosting him in USA, in the United States of America. And I was wondering, why was this guy recording each and every event if he was really genuine in hosting a person? I cannot expect I host a person here in my house and then I record whatever they are doing. It means that this guy had actually set Marwa so that he can record everything and later expose him and earn views and money and crowd chase using Marwa. Every one of them is crowd chasing. Imagine the channels that are talking about against Marwa and Dee Mwango and the family have become so many. Why? Because these people knows the minute they put the video Dee Mwango, the minute they put the video Iam Marwa, the minute they mention one of the family members, their videos are going to have views. What will happen because they want to bring them down when they are down there? What are you going to eat? Where are you going to get the content that you are shooting? Because you are making sure you bring them down. Even if you are shooting these videos for pay, because we know you are being paid, why don't you consider that you get content from these people, and therefore as you talk negativity, as you talk a lot of shenanigans about them, consider that every day you sit on your table, you shoot about these people, because there is no one else to shoot about. If you shoot about the people you actually mention, you will not get views. And you know that, you know very well that. We saw Miguel Ponte talking about this family. We saw Ivan, we saw on Trending, we saw Ankaro, we saw all the negativity. Actually, imagine, guys, there is this lady called Joasis, and there was this man from Nyambohanse called Sejo. Sejo actually was accused by Joasis of trying to rape her. But when it comes to talking against Marwa, they have combined hearts. Do you think this is normal? This is because there is something happening behind the scenes. Because I cannot imagine Joasis, who accused Sejo of trying to rape her, they are now combined together and they are shooting videos about Iam Marwa. On Trending, Sejo actually called On Trending a devil. But now they are cheering each other, giving each other shout-outs, aiming to bring this family down. They have combined so many people shooting about one family because they want to bring them down. But I want to tell them, if you really know that your channels can stand without this family, try to shoot something else. We see Masubo tried to come out of talking about this family and he went nowhere. You clearly know the minute you come out of talking about this family, you are going to be doomed. You are going to fall down. You do not have content. And that is why every day you talk about them. Every evening. Can you imagine somebody every day thinking about a family that he has never met, he has never seen, and talking about them through what you have heard? I saw someone writing in social media, do not believe what people say and hate people on that, because you never know the reality of the situation. Most people, like this strong man and the wife, actually the wife came to say, I am the one who is going to take the channel, and this wife looks like a bulldozer. She looks like a person who can actually sit on a man. Because I was asking myself, why did strong man leave Mombasa, which is so many kilometers, and travel all the way to Nyambohanse and declare that he does not want to be paid, he wants to work for free, and later bring this woman and the children to Iam Marwa's villa, where they were given food, where they were given shelter, where they were hosted, and later go to their homes and start talking negativity about this family. It's because there is money. Africa, it's about money. Africa, they don't care whether they are going to kill somebody, whether they are going to bring somebody down, whether they are destroying the children that are unborn. Because when you attack Rocio when she's pregnant, when you attack Marwa when they are pregnant, what do you think? You are actually attacking an unborn child who is very innocent. Do you think this is something planned? This is something behind the scenes planned so that they can actually completely bring this family down. But I pity them, because the minute you bring this family down, and I hope you do not manage, you will have nothing to shoot, you will have nothing to put on the table, you will die of hunger and poverty. I say that because God does not like people who are full of hatred, people who are full of jealousy, people who are full of envy, people who are full of competition. God does not like that. God is love. He loves people who love one another, who appreciate one another, who actually stands with one another to declare the goodness of Him amongst those people. It is very, very unfortunate for people to gang up and actually sit down every day to talk about one family. When you have nothing to talk about, you completely have nothing to talk about, because it is so ironical that you keep on talking about this family without even considering the damage you are causing to them. Very, very unfortunate. Without considering the damage you are causing to them. You keep on talking about them, destroying them, putting them down, and you cannot consider that they are expectant, their parents are old, they have worked hard to be where they are, they have not sat down like you to get views and subscribers. They have actually sacrificed their money, they have sacrificed their comfortability, they have sacrificed themselves. It's not easy like a girl like Dee Mwango moving all around the world alone, risking her life to bring content on the table for people. And then you come and try to bring her down. Kamba is arrived. You are going to see. You are going nowhere and Kamba will follow you wherever you go. You will not, we say in Kikuyu, you do not die, or rather you cannot be put in the grave before you pay for the wrongs, for the bad you have done to other people. It is very, very important to consider other people and actually appreciate them and be able to actually have mercy on people. Very, very important. Without destroying people and bringing them down. Guys, I think I'll stop at that because I am going to continue now showing you the similarities and the differences between the Kenyan market and the Jamaican market. So watch the video and see what we sell in Kenya, what we buy in Kenya, how the things are arranged, and the differences between the two countries and the and today we are saying we take you along with us.
Replacement mechanics, upgrading,
Tamerons, I saw a lot of Tamerons in Jamaica. Very many of them are This is a market whereby you can buy everything.
replacement mechanics, upgrading,
We are not going to stand here, so I'm going to go and then you go and start where we're going to buy all those and then we're going to the real market where they are fruits, they are what? Carrots, they are vegetables, and we buy
let us register your line of replacement mechanics, upgrading,
very, very beautiful building. This Kenya is beautiful, by the way. Maybe the cameraman can show you in front of you. Bodaboda is a motorbike. That is a way of transport in Kenya when you're going short distances. And you can also see some matatus. We call them the public transport. We call them matatus in Kiswahili. So we have Nissans. These vehicles are called Nissans. And you can see that the public transport in Kenya, they have a yellow line. That is how you identify the public transport. This is ready. It's a conductor. She's actually shouting. And I saw that in Jamaica. People shout to call people so that they can enter the vehicle. She's actually a conductor. Abariaba means how are you? Are you a conductor? Yes. Where do these people go?
Mwenye ni video roho unaenda. Ujue ni video unachukuliwa hapa.
Together so that you can see the market in Kenya. Here there are clothes, Actually, this is a place where they are selling second-hand clothes. Second-hand clothes in Kenya actually are the in thing. They are called mitumba in Kiswahili, and therefore there is a lot of selling of second-hand clothes, and we're going to take you around. These are lorries for transport, I think. Yeah, they are transport lorries. This is a place that is very, very busy because they actually bring foodstuffs from the rural areas and bring them here so that we can buy. So we are going to actually show you when we go to buy onions. We are back like we never left again. So guys, this is Wangige market in Kiambu County in Kenya. Kiambu County is one of the 52 counties in Kenya, and now we are here, we are buying apples. These apples, I think they come from South Africa. We have apples growing in Kenya. No, we don't have apples growing in Kenya, and therefore they are being sold at 3 apples for 100 shillings. 100 shillings is like how many dollars? $1 or $0.8. So we are buying apples for $1, 3 for $1 actually, approximately 3 for $1. And join us. We buy together because today we decided to bring you to the market. So we are going to have the Sarah. The Sarah, we don't want to capture the Sarah in our video, so we are going to stop right away so that she can pack for us and we pay for the fruits. Then we can take you around. You can show them the bananas. There is a lot of bananas and avocados. Did we see avocados in Jamaica? The avocados, and there are also bananas, a lot of them. I don't know whether they are apples. Grapes, you can see the grapes. The grapes don't also come from Kenya. They come from, I think, South Africa. So we have both the apples, and there is also, what do we call hohos in English? We have hohos. We are going to show you. We are also going to buy onions. We are also going to buy potatoes. And we are going to carry you along with us because today we decided to take you to the market, a normal market in Kenya. You can see it is actually constructed such that the people that are selling cannot experience rains or a lot of wind. It is very, very well constructed. Kenya is beautiful. Kenya is very, very attractive, as you can see. So we take you around with us as we go and access different streets. We are still at Wangige market, guys, and you can see there is a lot of vegetables. We have spinach here. We have what? What are they called? Broccoli and cornflower. We have hohos. We have cucumber. We have briganya. We have carrots. We have sukuma wiki. We call them sukuma wiki in Kenya, but they are called kales. And we have vegetables. We have pastries. We have a lot. Actually, there is a normal market in Kenya whereby you can buy everything, all the foodstuffs. And it is a very, very busy market. This area is in Kiambu County. Kiambu County is one of the 52 counties in Kenya. Actually, 47. Oh, there are 47 counties. 47 counties in Kenya, and it is actually the county which is actually very, very near to the capital city of Kenya, Nairobi. So guys, I don't know whether in Jamaica there are spinach and kales and broccoli and Chinese cabbage and hoho. You're going to tell us in the comment section whether you grow these things in your country. So there are some carrots there, there are some hohos there. Is it hohos or they are what? Abidjin. I'm being told by her here. I don't know some of the names that we call them. And there are so many things here in this market. There are fruits, there are vegetables, there are potatoes, there are tomatoes. And we have a very, very beautiful lady here who is actually selling to us. What is her name? My name is Lucy Gatambi. Lucy Gatambi, where do you come from? Oh, Wangige. You get these things from where? From the farmer. So she gets from the farmer. You grow them? Yeah. Wow. She grows these things. I told you Kenyan women are very, very hardworking. That's like Jamaican women. They hustle and hustle and hustle. And you can see how this lady is hustling, waking up very early, growing these vegetables, bringing them to the market. It's not a joke. These women are strong and very hardworking. And you're going to see the Kenyan women are, wow, they are very, very hardworking. So guys, we're going to take you along as we buy things. We're buying in Jamaica. Ugari is actually maize flour. I will prepare it one day and show you how it prepares so that you can understand what I'm talking about. So we eat ugari together with vegetables and some meat. And there is also some maize. We grow maize actually, and we are also in Kikuyu traditions. We do what we call mukimo. Mukimo is mashed potato, Kikuyu community, mokimo. So when you visit Kenya, we are going to prepare for you mokimo. It is a very, very common food in Kikuyu community. Kikuyu community is one of the largest tribes in Kenya. Kenya, we have so many tribes, and Kikuyu is one of the largest tribes in Kenya. So guys, we are going to take you around, and we really appreciate you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for appearing in our video and sharing to us because we continue still at Wangige market. Wangige market in Kenya, and we are buying sweet potatoes. You can see the sweet potatoes that are here. They are white in color, and I think I saw some sweet potatoes in Jamaica. Dee Mwango was buying them actually. So we have sweet potatoes in Kenya, and we have arrowroots. Are they called arrowroots? Yeah, we have arrowroots. These are very, very traditional foods. Our fathers and our mothers used to actually eat this food. And actually, in most of Dee Mwango's meals, you will find her cooking sweet potatoes and arrowroots because these are natural food, organic, coming direct from the shamba, from the farm. And therefore no chemicals, no pollution. They are actually very, very good food for those who love organic food. So we are actually buying these ones for breakfast, the sweet potatoes for breakfast, and the arrowroots also for breakfast. Because instead of eating bread, it is good to actually eat natural food, traditional food that comes right away from the market, from the farm, without those chemicals. So guys, this will be the end of Wangige market, the end of the Wangige market video, because we are not going to show you much. We have already bought what we wanted to buy, and therefore see you on the other side when I'm going to shoot the content I'm supposed to shoot today.